The number one key to spring cleaning marketing success. Successful cleaners know that staying in front of your clients and targeting neighborhoods is one of the best advertising returns that you can do. And this can be done primarily through postcards, emails, text messages, and voicemail drops. We can help you with all of these things, and in many cases, we can do them completely for you. We have new software to email, do voicemail drops, and text your clients. Now, one of the things that we do when you're part of the ad club is we take the email templates and put them into your system to where all you have to do is customize your logo and your phone number and your website to any of the emails. And if you'd like, for an additional charge, we can even do that part for you to where they're already ready to go. You don't have to write the email. You don't even have to design it. You don't have to do anything, come up with the pictures. It's all ready and all set. Also, text messages. Now, one warning about text messages, they need to be used with caution because you don't want to text your clients every month. You don't even want to text them every few months, probably once or twice a year. And especially, it's pretty okay to do for like a reminder. So a 6-month reminder or a 1-year reminder is perfect unless your customer says that you can't text them. It's a normal thing for dentists, for all sorts of businesses to do for a reminder for routine cleaning. And we can do those for you and send texts for as little as 1 to 2 cents per text message. And that's great to be able to do that super duper cheap to be able to market to your clients that way. We can also do voicemail drops. And again, this is something not to be abused either, but maybe once a year, maybe twice a year on a special occasion where you do a voicemail drop that goes directly to their voicemail and leaves them a message with a reminder for cleaning after a year, that type of thing. Now, one of the staples that you probably heard me talk about too are postcards. Offline marketing is great. Online marketing is great. It's super important to do both, guys. That's one of the only ways that you can make sure that you hit that client, you put yourself and brand yourself back in front of them. And we can do these postcards designed, labeled, and mailed for you. This is a $25, like a big 8.5 by 5.5 inch gift card postcard with rounded corners that we send out, and it could be any dollar amount that you want it to be, any type of offer that you want it to be, but basically it's just got a light special offer and a reminder of that you're there, a reminder that they need to refer you for cleaning to their neighbors, and put yourself in front of them. Now, here's the important thing about everything we've talked about so far. You must automate this process. I know a lot of you guys, and I know that you're busy out there cleaning, and you think about doing the postcards and the emails and the texts, but time gets the best of you and you don't do it. So we have programs in the ad club where we can design them for you and completely mail them, do all of this stuff for you, from the postcards to the emails to all of this stuff. So there's really no excuse. And if you're in the ad club, the design is absolutely free. If you're not in the ad club and you happen to see one of the postcards that you like, we can do the design for you for a one-time $99 fee. And then we can get you huge discounts on getting printing done. We're brokers for lots of big printers, and we can get you these huge discounts. For example, this is a 4x6 inch postcard that we do, like a newsletter type postcard. 1,000 of them, $56, 5,000, $112. A little bit bigger, 8.5 by 5.5, $1,085, 5,000, $192. And then for about an additional, depending on how many that you're sending, an additional 40 to 46 cents, we can even mail them for you. And that's labeled, that's handled, that's out the door, postage, everything. So that on average, depending on how many that you're mailing, we're sending these for about 46 cents per postcard. That's great. That's huge. Why not? Is your client worth that 46 cents? And we've got hundreds of different templates and lots of different templates specifically right now for spring cleaning. Spring is a huge time to do marketing to your clients. Don't let them forget you. We've got lots of different templates. We've got lots of different ideas already ready to go. And then we can even do the design for you to where you don't have to put in your logo. We'll do it all for you for water damage, for tile, for all sorts of different subjects and all sorts of different services. Now, also, I recommend that you probably want to do something to get new clients, and neighborhood marketing, EDDM is one way to do it. We also do neighborhood marketing, also where we do 10 around the homes that you've done business with, or 20 or 50 or 100 or whatever you want to do, we can actually buy mailing lists for all of those type of things and do that as well and target those specific neighborhoods. This is a great EDDM postcard that we're doing. It's an 8 by 10 inch. We're printing 1,000 of them for around $131, 5,000 for $304, and something to really catch their attention. The smaller ones are even a little bit less money if you want to do a smaller one. We can do these for you, completely done, labeled, postage, handling, everything, again, for an average of about 46 cents per postcard. Out the door, all you do is pick out the postcard, say that one, we design it with your logo, ready to go. Lots of different templates in the ad club. We also have templates for power washing and even for water damage restoration, and some templates for maid services as well. So you can get these ad templates printed and mailed for you all within the ad coaching club. Go to www.hitmanadvertising.com/coaching or give us a call at 850-474-1110.